Sao Paulo, Brazil, December 22, 2024.
Gente, que judiação. Olha isso.
Oi.
Estacionamento do Thermas.
Olha, amiga.
Que judiação.
Olha isso aqui, tá, olha, já tá um trisquinho de encher o rio. Um trisco. Olha lá, o carro lá em cima.
The heavy rain that hit the interior of Sao Paulo, Brazil on Saturday afternoon caused major flooding. According to authorities, the flooding left cars submerged in a parking lot of water parking in Olympia, Sao Paulo. The city of Olympia reported that in a few hours the rainfall volume registered reached more than 130 millimeters, characterizing a situation of torrential rain. At least 10 trees fell.
Vocês que vêm para a região do Brás fazer compra, vem a passeio, lojistas, em geral, estacionar o carro aqui, né?
Amor, eu tô
According to the government, flooding was reported in the neighborhoods of Landão, Nakamura, São Benedito, on Avenida Aurora Forti Neves, as well as the Thermas dos Laranjais, a school in the Cohab for neighborhoods, and on Estrada, Vicinal, Wilquem, Manoel Neves.
Grade, ele vai parar lá na grade, amiga.
Estacionamento do Thermas.
Nossa.
É dos funcionários isso aqui, ó.
Nossa.
Ó, será que o golzinho vai passar? Olha lá, moça, a fundura que tá e o nego tá mandando o carro lá dentro.
Thermas dos Laranjais Recreation Park was flooded by rainwater. In one of the images, it is possible to see the flood advancing over chairs and tables that are used by visitors to the site. The mud invaded the pools and slides. Not only that, the cars in the parking lot of the water complex were also submerged. According to the information obtained by the local media, most of the vehicles belongs to employees of the site.
Quem tiver querendo vir para Cristiano Machado, não vem não, viu, gente? Cristiano Machado virou um rio. Valeu.
Pessoal, tentaram passar, tá? E não conseguiram. Aí abriram aqui.
Guarda-chuva aqui.
According to reports, due to the storm, the venue will be closed on Sunday. The decision was made as a precautionary measure, prioritizing the safety of visitors and employees. Tourists can access information about the tickets through the website.
Próxima rodoviária já subiu, já alagou tudo.
According to authorities, one resident was reported to have lost his life precisely in Cangaiba, in the east zone of Sao Paulo, when a powerful storm hit the city on Saturday. According to civil defense, Greater Sao Paulo registered 148 calls for volunteers, 120 flooding points, and 8 landslides between Saturday afternoon and Sunday morning.
Que coisa, bolsa.
Não, né? Olha isso.
Documento.
Carro dos funcionários do Thermas.
Isso aqui, gente. Jesus tá voltando e não é brincadeira. Jesus tá voltando e não é brincadeira. Olha lá o carro.
Meanwhile, Avenida Aurora Forti Neves was also completely impassable. Due to the storm, houses were flooded. Teams from the Civil Defense, Janitorial Services, Department of Agriculture, Department of Public Works, Municipal Guard, Military Police, and Fire Department are working to assist residents, tourists, and merchants affected by the storm.
Ó, cê é doido, é muita água.
Saturday's rain left more than 100,000 properties without power. Most of the affected customers are in the east zone, including Villa Prudente, Itaquera, São Mateus, and Quireu. Meanwhile, in the north zone includes Brasilandia and Trembe. In the capital, the regions of Itaquera, Aitem Paulista, and Peña, in the east zone, were on alert for flooding throughout the afternoon. A more sensitive level of cautions, according to the city's Emergency Management Center.
Tá pegando as folhas, a água aí lá.
Então, quem tiver pra rua aí e quiser passar aqui pela rotatória do shopping, tá bem como...
Onda, direita ali. Como sempre, né? Dezembro é assim.